Hello everyone. In last videos we started the chapter force and pressure, and in previous video we started the topic of pressure. Today we will discuss a activity in which we see that a given depth the pressure in a liquid is the same in all direction. In this activity we fix a U tube on a board as shown in this picture. Then fill half of it with water like this. This is the U tube and it will fill with the water. Then we will see the water level in the same in both arms of the U tube. Like this, both arms are equal in water. Children, this is our manometer. Manometer is an instrument which is used to measure pressure difference. Now slip one end of a 1 meter rubber tube over one end of U tube like this and attach a funnel to the other end of the rubber tube. Here we attach a funnel with the rubber tube. Then stretch a thin balloon over the mouth of the funnel and fix it with thread or a rubber band. Now, if we press the stretch balloon with a finger, the level of water in arm A of the U tube will fall and the level in arm B will rise like this. The level of water is rise in B arm and level of water is down in A arm. If we press the stretch balloon with a finger, the level of water in arm A of the U tube will fall and the level in arm B will rise. Now, the difference in the heights of water in the two arms is a measure of the pressure we are applying with our finger. Means when we apply the pressure, then the level of water is decreases in A side and increase in B side. Now next, lower the funnel slowly into a bucket of water. There is a bucket of water and funnel is down in this. Then the difference between the heights of water in two arms of our manometer will increase as the funnel goes deeper into the bucket of water like this. This shows the pressure increase with the depth of a liquid. Now come this figure. If we bend the rubber tube so that the face of the funnel is vertical, like this, and rotate it at the same level of water, the pressure indicated by our manometer will steady. This shows that a given depth, the pressure in a liquid is the same in all directions. Now, next topic is atmospheric pressure. We know that we are surrounded by a blanket of air. This air has mass and is attracted by the force of gravity. So, air does not exert pressure. Yes, it does. Air exerts pressure. We will explain it with the help of this activity. In this activity, fill half of an empty metallic can with water like this. Then heat it until the water boils. Then remove the can from the flame and close its lid tightly like this. In this picture there is a can which is this can is filled up with the water and heat up and tightly close. In case we use soft drink can, we can use tape to seal the opening. Now place the can under a tap and turn on the tap. As the can cools, it gets crusted like this. If heating a can is troublesome, pour hot water into a plastic bottle and screw on the lid Then pour ice cold water over the bottle. The bottle will get crushed. They show that the air exert pressure on this. Okay children, you will read you will read it all the